Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my monthly cleaning page for December in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for the month of December, for my cleaning, I am going to use some leftover bits and pieces from this planner cake kit. It's $2.69. This was from last December and I had a bunch of washi left over and some basic labels, so I thought I would use that up. I've got a sheet of icons here with a little laundry basket and a little watering can, so I thought I would use these up from an ever-changing plans kit that I had used earlier in the year. And then I've also got all of my Phoenix Plans scripts for the Clean Mama routine, which is basically the cleaning routine that I follow. I've got daily tasks and then each one of those. And then I've got weekly tasks and a script for each one of those. And then the rotating tasks and the monthly tasks, I have just those headers, and then I write those in because those change or they rotate every month. And then of course, my Clean Mama's Guide to a Clean Home. So this is just a printable little booklet that I printed out, sized it down, and had it cut and bound over at Office Depot. So let's dig in and kind of get my base started. So what I thought I would do is I took this washi here and I already trimmed it in half because I'm going to use this up top here. So I'm just gonna lay this down. I love having these pages here in my planner where I can use these leftover bits and pieces from kits. So rather than buying a kit for just my cleaning page, I can go ahead and just use up something left over, which I really like. Let's see, this has a white background, so I might need to white out that green a little bit. I think I'm just going to leave it. I think it'll be okay. So there's that one. So I just finished all my cleaning this weekend. It's actually nice that Thanksgiving is on a Thursday because I normally clean Friday and Saturday anyway, so it works out. Oh, you know what? I'm going to turn this way so the little reindeers aren't upside down. So I'm going to put this down here. Whoops. So if you hosted Thanksgiving for your family, how was the aftermath, as I call it? It wasn't too bad for us. It was really, really pretty good, actually. All right, the house was not too much of a wreck. Let's white this out here. I could have left it because I think that green kind of matches, but I liked the green in this little laundry basket too. So I'm gonna put this little laundry basket down. We're gonna leave that where it says monthly cleaning. I think that's just fine like that. And then let's go ahead and do washi here. So I think I'll start with this one. I don't know how much cleaning will get done. I have to I feel like I wanted to start decorating for Christmas this weekend since it's Thanksgiving weekend. I want to kind of get Christmas stuff out. This one I cut. It didn't cut very well with my blade. It was a little off, but that's okay. Okay, and then I think do I have another strip? I think I need to cut one more strip of this. Okay, so I trimmed another piece of this holly washi and I'm just gonna lay this here. This is such a sweet kit. I'm so glad that I have a reason to use the leftover bits. Let me see if I can tear this one. I may have to trim it. No, I think I got it. Sometimes when there's just a little edge there, it's hard to get that with tearing and you have to actually use the trimmer. Okay, so let's white this out. And then I wanted to use the little watering can. I thought it was cute and it's pinkish, so I think it kind of matches. or at least coordinates. So that's that. And then let's go in, and now I'm gonna put each of the weeks down here. There's that. So I was looking through the little booklet, and December is going to focus on like cleaning up papers in your office and that kind of thing, which I totally need to do. My desk was looking really good for a while there, and then it just kind of got away from me again, as is the case. Okay, I'm going to put this right under here. There we go, just fits. And then this last week here. Oh, you know what? I think because since I have 5 weeks, I'm going to need to do the rotating tasks here and the monthly tasks over in this box. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and put some washi down too, just so that they coordinate. I probably should have just did the strip all the way across. I'm just going to go all the way across here so it looks cohesive. I'll let it overlap a little bit there. There, that's fine. That way it just kind of goes all the way across. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my little stencil, and I'm gonna put down all of the days of the week, my little check boxes, and I pulled my little red clean color dot pen, and I think I'm gonna use this to do the different check boxes for the daily 5. So it'll just go like this. And then I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So that will be the daily 5. Oh my gosh, this little dot is bad. Okay. All right, so let me get all these down. Okay, so those are my dots, and I understand they do not look great, friends. I'm still getting the hang of those pens. I'm not great at those. Okay, so then here I'm gonna put my headers for my daily tasks. So we'll get all of these down here. It's been really busy, so I'm grateful for this system, because if I can just get the dailies and then I spread the weeklies out throughout the week, then I feel like I'm in pretty darn good shape. And the house is at least tidy. You know what I mean? Like, it might not be super like thorough clean, but at least it is clean enough for, you know, if folks come over or stop by. And, you know, that happens in the holidays. So I just placed like a refill order with Phoenix Plans with Christine, because you'll see I wasn't paying attention, and I'm about to run out of my scripts for my cleaning the bathroom day. You know, the sheet of weeklies here. Okay, put that down. Okay, so that's the headers for the dailies and the weeklies, and then we will put these in. So these are the daily 5, which are make the bed. I just love how these fit. And then wipe the counters. I'm going through these sheets today. Let's see, so there's a nice sheet of those. And then check the floors. Just sweeping in between my vacuuming has been really, really great. Let's see, that's floors. And then tidying up, just doing a quick little tidy. And then laundry. I was doing an inventory, so that's why I have all these multiple sheets here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the daily 5 down, and then we'll be back. Okay, so that's all of the daily 5s down for each week here. Oh my gosh, these dots, friends, are so sloppy looking. Oh, I'm terrible at this. I'm so sorry. I used the stencil just to kind of help me keep my place, and I don't know, they look really sloppy, but I'm sorry. Maybe I'll go in and just kind of fill in the entire square, kind of like how this is more filled in. We'll see. We can do that later. Okay, so my weekly tasks are, let me put in the days of the week first. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So Monday is when I try to do the linens. So washing towels and the bath mat, all of that, and then sheets and whatnot. And then Tuesday, we empty the garbage because Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning, is our garbage pickup day. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we're in the busy part of the week, so I usually don't get anything done. So then Friday, I like to dust and empty the fridge. So I think I mentioned I just placed an order to refill a bunch of my scripts, and so I ordered a custom that says empty fridge. And then Saturday is the bathroom. Oh no, sorry. Sunday's the bathroom. I have this out of order, friends. And that was my last bathroom script, so I'm not going to be able to fill in the rest of those. But Saturday would be vacuuming and mopping. Let me just put a little plus. So vacuuming and mopping, and then Sunday is the bathrooms and water the plants and scoop the poop. Oops. Okay. So that's how I do the weeklies. They're a little bit different from the way Clean Mama puts them out. So she has you basically, for the weeklies, you're doing first the bathrooms on Monday, then dusting on Tuesday, vacuuming on Wednesday. Thursday is washing the floors. Friday is your catch-all day, so maybe you're doing one of your rotating tasks or one of your monthly focus tasks. And then Saturday is sheets and towels, and then Sunday is a day off, like a day of rest to not clean house. But just the way our schedule and our lifestyle is, that doesn't necessarily work for me. And so that's what I like about this, is you can really kind of customize it to fit whatever your schedule may be. So let me go ahead and I will finish putting in the rest of the weeks. Okay, so I have all of the weekly tasks filled in. This was my last bathroom script, as I mentioned, so I just wrote it in for the rest of the month. So that's everything here. And then over here. So now let's look at the rotating tasks. So I'm going to put this header down here. The rotating tasks are they're not the same, but they're things that you do like once a month. So they often are the same from month to month. So this is December. And so like vacuuming the baseboards is always on each month, right? You only have to do it once. So I'm going to put this down here. And then let's see, what else do we have here? Spot clean the furniture. So with my new sofa, I was really hoping Otis wouldn't jump up on it and make it his bed, but he has. So I have already had to go through and spot clean it. Other bedroom light fixtures, because this month was the main bedroom light fixture. So I take that to mean like the overhead light maybe is the main, and lamps on your bedside table might be other. Wash rugs. I'm not sure what she means by this. Like, I wash my bath rugs every week. So, and I don't think she means steam clean your carpets. Like, I do have to do that. Polish wood furniture. I do that once a month. And that's really all my furniture needs. Wipe switches. That's something we're definitely all probably doing or being more conscious of. And phones. And what else is in here? Remotes. That's the one thing, is you forget to wipe the remotes. Like, I wouldn't think of that. And then wipe down appliances. I did scrub my stovetop after Thanksgiving. Wipe down appliances. My husband makes homemade cranberry sauce, and it like exploded. So we had like sugar caked into the stovetop. And then clean window treatments. We have shutters mostly, so I have like a little device that like it goes between the slats and like cleans it kind of like that. It's kind of easy. And then light fixtures and lamps. Fixtures and okay. So yeah, as you look at this book, you can kind of see where they're very similar from month to month, because it's something like you only do once a month, like polish the wood furniture is once a month, but I dust every week. Okay, so then looking at the monthly, let's see, let's go over to December. So yes, like I mentioned, December is office and paperwork. So I'm going to put this little header down here. And I'm going to put office. It's hard to write at the bottom of the book here. Okay, so she's got declutter, which is always on here. I'm going to try my best to write straight, friends, without lines. So clear surfaces and lose anything you don't use or love. Evaluate is next. And that is evaluate. Look at methods and systems already in place. So like kind of how you manage your desk and your paperwork. Find 3 trouble spots. That I can find 3 trouble spots for sure. It's like as soon as you clear off a surface in your house, it's like it attracts new clutter. Write them down and commit to taking care of them. Okay, something new. Choose a new method or way of doing something to simplify your paper. I did go through that during COVID and like redid my files, my filing system. So that was good. Shred, shred, shred. Oh yeah, definitely at the end of the year, you want to shred. And then supplies. I don't typically go out and buy new stuff. Like she always has something like, oh, go buy new pillows or buy new sheets. Shop the house for supplies to put your new systems in place. Shop the house, that's a good one, because I don't normally like to go out and buy new stuff. Set up your systems, whether it's a new filing system or an attempt to go paperless. Get something in place that will free you up from handling paper. Okay. You know, it took me a long time to go to like paperless billing or like statements from the bank because I'm just old school that way. But I did. I am pretty much paperless in that regard. And then add on. Once the first system is in place and working, add the next one. Okay, that makes sense. Kind of like take it one step at a time. Okay, so that is the monthly for December. Office and paperwork. So that's good. You can start the new year. If you do this in December, you'll start the new year off kind of like with everything nice and clean. All right, so there's not a ton of room for like deco and that kind of thing just because there were 5 weeks in December. So I think I'm just going to leave it at this, friends. Pretty simple and straightforward. Hoping I get a lot done. I'm actually hoping to decorate for Christmas this weekend, it being the weekend of Thanksgiving holiday. So we'll see if that gets done. All right, look at all these empty sheets I finished out this month. Christine, I already placed an order, so be on the lookout for that. So it's always an accomplishment when you use up all your stickers. So that's good. It makes me feel like I'm okay to reorder more. All right, friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.